In today's lecture, I'm thrilled to share the inspiring story of Jane Goodall, a name synonymous with groundbreaking primate research and unwavering dedication to conservation. Her journey is a testament to the power of passion and perseverance. Jane Goodall's venture into the Gombe Stream National Park in Tanzania revolutionized our understanding of chimpanzees. Her patient, immersive observation methods led to astonishing discoveries, such as the use of tools by chimps, previously believed to be a unique human trait. This challenged the scientific community's perception of the animal kingdom and emphasized our close connection to these primates. Goodall's work extends beyond research. Her advocacy for environmental conservation and animal rights has inspired countless individuals to respect and protect the natural world. She demonstrates that one person's commitment can ignite global awareness and action. Jane Goodall's life journey highlights the incredible impact of following one's passion and the significant role we can all play in understanding and preserving our planet.
In this lecture, I am thrilled to discuss the evolution of renewable energy and its critical role in shaping a sustainable future. Our journey towards renewable energy sources marks a significant shift in how we approach environmental sustainability and energy consumption. Renewable energy, derived from natural processes that are constantly replenished, includes solar, wind, hydroelectric, and geothermal power. Unlike fossil fuels, these energy sources emit little to no greenhouse gases, making them crucial in combating climate change. For example, solar panels convert sunlight into electricity without pollution, offering a clean alternative to traditional energy sources. The shift to renewable energy is not just an environmental imperative but also an economic opportunity. The renewable energy sector is rapidly growing, creating jobs, and driving technological innovation. It's a pathway to a more sustainable economy and energy independence. The evolution of renewable energy represents a pivotal moment in our history.
In today's lecture, I'm delighted to take you back in time to explore the historical impact of the Silk Road. This ancient network of trade routes not only facilitated the exchange of goods but also acted as a bridge between civilizations, cultures, and ideas. The Silk Road, spanning from China to the Mediterranean, was instrumental in the trade of precious goods like silk, spices, tea, and gold. However, its significance extends beyond commerce. It was a conduit for cultural exchange, allowing for the movement of philosophies, religions, and even artistic styles across continents. This cross-cultural interaction played a crucial role in the development of the societies it connected. For example, the Silk Road facilitated the spread of Buddhism from India to East Asia and brought Chinese inventions like paper and gunpowder to the West. The legacy of the Silk Road is a testament to the power of connectivity and exchange.
We've all heard the phrase, laughter is the best medicine. But why do we laugh in the first place? It seems that laughing might be a little more hardwired into us than you might think. Infants laugh very early in life, usually learning how to laugh before they can speak. Not only that, but people that are born blind and deaf can still exhibit laughter. One study found that the laughter produced from deaf participants was fundamentally similar to that produced by normally hearing individuals, backing up the idea that laughter is grounded in human biology. It's also been theorized that laughter predates human speech by potentially millions of years, being a simpler form of communication. Laughter is thought to have likely helped earlier people negotiate group dynamics and establish hierarchy. I can't even imagine trying to explain that I'm a little goofball using only laughter. So if laughter actually is instinctually part of humans, then why do people laugh? It seems like laughter is more of a way for people to better handle stress and make situations feel less threatening than laughter only being about things that we find to be funny. Now, why are companies embracing the re-entry internship? Because the internship allows the employer to base their hiring decision on an actual work sample instead of a series of interviews, and the employer does not have to make that permanent hiring decision until the internship period is over. This testing out period removes the perceived risk that some managers attach to hiring relaunchers, and they are attracting excellent candidates who are turning into great hires. Think about how far we have come. Before this, most employers were not interested in engaging with relaunchers at all. But now, not only are programs being developed specifically with relaunchers in mind, but you can't even apply for these programs unless you have a gap on your resume. This is the mark of real change, of true institutional shift, because if we can solve this problem for relaunchers, we can solve it for other career transitioners too. In fact, an employer just told me that their Veterans Return to Work program is based on their re-entry internship program. And there's no reason why there can't be a retiree internship program. Different pool, same concept.